Hey, October 7, today is concrete day. We're getting some of our base concrete installed so that we can put stone on either the top or in the field. This concrete perimeter is actually going to be finished material the same way that this boundary is the finish. In the field, we have we're 2 inches lower for a stone installation. We have a spot for a drain. That's where the shadow isn't well, anyway, the dark area. And in the background, you can probably hear the concrete truck revving up. They're ready to pour the second load. We took 8 yards at the first load and three more to go. And this is the piece that remains. This is right next to our carport. We'll pour this the next day. We're just going to put something light in here. This is just temporary until we open up the next time, meaning we start construction next summer. This will come out then. But in the meantime, what's framed in will actually be the base for the stonework that we're going to be installing, well, as soon as possible, but probably within the next couple of weeks. We're going to be using the same stone that's down at the bottom of this stair, and the faces of the steps should look very similar to this wall. And I'll head right back over to where they are pumping. Today is kind of my day off. I said I work my tail off to get to this point, and I do the video documentation.